these are my cats. There's 3 babies. And one that keeps on bullying them, Church. Sunny is the light-colored one. The orange one is named Oliver. And the black one is named CJ. Because I have a cat indoors that's the same color. And his name's Comet. That's CJ. And this is AJ, stands for Amber Jr. And this is the mama. And I have another cat, I just said, was indoors. Hey, kitty. Hey, Come, what you doing, baby? Hey, Comet. You just winked at me? Oh, Lord, little Come. Okay, guys, I gotta go. This is a short video, but see you later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm just saying that. Anyway.